Hello students, today I am going to tell you about complaint letters. As you know that in class 10th you will study about formal letters. So under formal letters we will study about three kinds of letter. They are complaint letter, letter of inquiry, letter of placing order. So this is the first kind of letter we will study here, that is complaint letter. First of all, I tell you what is complaint letter. Complaint letters are written when we have a problem regarding a product, a thing, or any service. The tone of this letter has to be very polite. We have to take care a lot while writing these letters. So some points I am going to tell you which you have to keep in your mind while writing complaint letters. You have to describe only that thing that is wrong with your product, or you have to describe the issues or the problems regarding any service. You have to mention the date of purchase and place of purchase if it is applicable. Second point, you have to explain how you would like to resolve the problem. Last point, which we all have to keep in our mind, that is that we have to explain that we look forward to receiving a reply with a solution. You can set a date or time limit in the letter up to which you want to receive the response. You need to mention a phone number also by which you can be contacted. So these are the following points which you have to keep in your mind while writing the complaint letter. This is the format of the letter which you can see in your video. First of all, we have to mention sender's address. Sender's address means the person who is writing the letter. After that, there is one line gap. Then we have to mention the date, on which date we are writing this letter or any letter. After this, once again we will give one line gap. Then the receiver address is to be mentioned. After writing down the receiver's address, then again one line gap, and you have to mention the subject of your letter. So this is regarding the complaint of any product, complaint of anything, complaint of any against any services. So here you have to mention the subject also. Later, you will give salutatory words like sir, madam, dear sir, dear madam. Then we will start to write our letter. So first of all, after leaving one line, if we are writing our letter from the beginning, then we will give a small introduction about our own self and what about we are mentioning in this letter. After giving the introduction, then in the second paragraph we will give the detail of our problem. What is the problem occurring with us? So that problem is to be described in detail. Later in the last we will give the conclusion with a request and some suggestions. After this, once again we will give one line gap, and then closing words we will mention like yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours truly. Then you will add your name, and if you have not been given the name in the question, then you will write XYZ or ABC. So this way, today we have studied about complaint letters. I hope you would have understood it very well. Thank you.